Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So in today's video, Christmas home decoration ideas. I will share you. So viewers, let's start today's video. We're turning our homes into a magical Christmas wonderland with some simple, creative and friendly. Christmas home decoration ideas. Christmas is the season of lights, love and so let's make your home warm, cozy and full of spark this holiday. Festive entryway, first impression matter. Welcome your guest with a beautiful Christmas bath on the door made of beans, branches, berries and red ribbon. Add a small welcome board or hanging bell for a cheerful entrance. Living room glow. Your living room is the heart of Christmas. Lights around your window, mirror and shelves. Place candles in glass jar or fairy lights inside walls for a soft warm glow. Use cozy cushions and red blankets to make your sofa extra festive. Magical Christmas tree corner setup. Your Christmas tree is in a cozy corner of your room. Decorate it with ornaments and friends. Star, ribbon and fairy lights add warm gift box under the tree. They make the space look complete and full of joy. A dining table charm. Dress up your dining table with a table runner, red, gold or green. Add candles, sprinkle and small ornaments as your centerpiece. Red ribbon around your napkin or glasses for an elegant touch. Reverse wall and window magic. Friends, hang stars or Christmas on your wall. Decorate your window with fairy lights, snow spray for that magical look. You can even hang paper stars or small ornaments for effects. Bedroom holiday vibe. Reverse. Christmas into your bedroom. Adds lights around your headboard, cozy pillow and a small tree on your nightstand. It's simple but make the room feel warm and dreamy.